in today's video, of course, we're doing a complete review and demonstration on this product. This is the LA Girl Pro Prepped HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, and it says it's a foundation primer. It says help smooth and fill in lines and pores. It says paraben and fragrance free. It is fragrance free. It says enriched with vitamin E. Now vitamin E is good for your skin. Let me start from the bottom, go back up to the top. Vitamin E, I'm looking at the time because I'm late. Vitamin E is good for your skin. Paraben, I really need to sit and remember what the hell paraben means and why it's bad for your skin. And it says it's fragrance free, which is true. Like, if you smell it, it really smells like neutral. Like, to me, it has like a more neutral smell instead of like a fragrance free, but it literally is fragrance free, like, if you get what I'm saying. Helps smooth and fill in lines and pores. Now, if you want to know if it does what it says it does, stay tuned for the video. Like, it looks kind of silicone but with a little bit of cloudiness in it, and it's very lightweight. Okay, so this is the Neutrogena, the Healthy Defense Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen. SPF 50. I'm just going to use a little tiny bit because I think it kind of makes my face oily, but the sun is like terrible. Now that the moisturizer has been applied, I'll apply this. Now I have like really large massive pores and they're usually here, like here and here. So I was watching Jackie Aina, if that is how she pronounces her name, her surname, and she was saying instead of wiping the primer in, you pat it in, because what you're really doing is filling your pores. So you pat, pat, pat. So I'll only pat it in for like the middle section of my face because that's where I usually get a lot of oil. Like, it has like no scent. Like these no scent products, they usually have like a little subtle scent, but it's like can be classified as being scentless. And I really see like a little bit of difference with the patting technique. I wish I had like a high def camera to show you the difference in my pores. Like, it's obvious that my pores are still there, like in your face, but not as much in your face. It's now like, it's a little after 9, it's 10 minutes past 9. So let's say I have all day in this mess, like all day. Have you noticed how clear my skin has gotten? Like, spot free. I have a little bit of spots left, but they're going away gradually, and that's because I'm taking care of my face. Yay. So let's put some minutes on the clock. I'll give you updates throughout the day as to how this primer is going to uphold itself on my face. So it's now 12:44. I left the house at like 9:30 and it looks moderately oily here. But you see, when off camera, it's very oily, like it's excessive, like it just happened. Like literally, from I left the house, I haven't looked at my face until a while ago. I used the restroom, and when I walked to the mirror to wash my hand, I was like, oh my gosh, my face is so oily. So this is what we're working with. I'm going to give like a final review right now. So I'm going to be on the road for the next couple of hours. I have absolutely no time when I'm getting home, so as soon as I get home, I'm going to do the final review. By the way, I actually have to powder my face. Like, I can't go through the day looking like this, like a big oily bunch of, I don't know. Alright guys, so now it's 5 minutes past 8 o'clock at night, and well, For some of you who are wondering why the place is still so bright, especially if you've never come to like one of these countries where it's still like super bright at night, that's just the way it is. So the place is not going to get dark until like 9 p.m. So this is how it held up. I powdered my face once, and with like a napkin, a few hours after that, I like kind of, you know, sucked up the oil. So I only touched up my face once with powder and once with just dabbing it with a napkin, twice in total. So this is what it looks like. It's not bad, but it's not great. To me, it worked better than some primers that I've tried that vouch for being like keeping your face matte and that are very expensive. This is very inexpensive. LA Girl in general is a very inexpensive brand. I know a lot of people that use it, but I just have excessive oil, and you know, for something to work for me, it has to be like works, especially in this hot, humid weather. Apart from that, it doesn't break my skin. I noticed that some makeup primers, some foundation primers do break your skin. Like you would put it on, you get pimples all over. And overall, my face really didn't look that bad, but like the first part of it, like when the place was really hot, the oil was really out there. And then when I put the oil blocking powder on my face, it got a whole lot better, which is just super awesome. So that's it for my review slash demonstration. And if you're new to my channel, don't leave it off subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. And before you go, I always do ask what primers work for you with excessive oil. I've been getting a lot of recommendations. I've been trying them out. I have been trying out primers, guys, especially to Johanna Johnson. I tried, I think, 2 of the primers that you recommended, and I'm yet to do a review on those primers. So I haven't ditched your list. I've been working with your list, just in case you want to know. And anyone else who wants to drop a list down below of primers for me to try, I will be willing to try those primers, because I'm looking for the ultimate primer that I could actually like stick with. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.